Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to explain how to download and install the SQL Server and as well as SQL Server Management Studio SSMS also. So first of all, we need to download and install SQL Server, right? The .NET developers need to learn SQL Server. So SQL Server download, click on that. Then it will show that SQL Server downloads, click on that. Here it will show that SQL Server on Azure, right? SQL Server on premises and everything. And here it is a developer and Express both are present. One is showing the download, a developer and for Express. Now here it is, we are downloading the developer version. Whenever you click on that, right, then automatically, right, it will start the download link. So once the download has been completed, just click on that, right? Just click on that S button. Then installation will start. Here it is a basic, custom and download media, right? We always go with a basic thing. Just click on that basic, then accept the license agreement. It will show the location, C, program files, Microsoft SQL Server. Just click on the install button. How much time it will take? Here it is around 1 GB file it is taking. 1 GB and the space, everything it will show clearly. Just wait until the installation has been completed. Once installation completed, then how to open and everything, I'll explain. Right. See, once the downloading successfully completed, then automatically installation process will start. See, here it is installing. It will take some time to install the things. After completion, see, installation has completed successfully. Right, it is showing that where the server is located and everything, the log folder, media folder, resource folder, everything it is showing. Right, suppose if you want to check whether it is successfully connected or not, just click on that connect now. So whenever it is showing that console like this, yes, it is installed successfully. After checking, right, here it is showing that one more option, install SSMS. Right, SQL Server Management System means what? It's a graphical user interface application. So where you can create the databases, tables, and execute all the SQL queries, right, directly. So this is the simple way, right, of writing all the queries, SQL Server queries, and executing the queries easily. So it is recommended to install SSMS also along with the SQL Server. So whenever we click on that, then it will show that from where we need to download the SSMS. Right, here it is showing that download SSMS 19, the latest version, or if you want to go with the old version, something like 18.1.12.1, yes, we can go with 18. Just click on that, then automatically the download will start. It is around 677 MB. So once the download has been completed, so whenever you click on that setup file, then automatically installation will start. Right, so along with the SQL Server, what you need to download is a SSMS we need to download. Right, after download, how to install and all, I'll explain. Right, here it is showing that, right, the download is completed. Just whenever we click on that one, automatically setup will start. Still it is showing that, yes. Along with that, SSMS setup. Is the one it is showing that where we need to install the location and everything. Right, just click on that install Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. It will come along with the Azure Data Studio also. Of course, that is not required for us. So after installation, it is showing that the setup is completed. Just click on the close option. And how can we open that one? So just in the search box in all programs, right, we can search for SQL Server. See, SQL Server Management Studio. So whenever you click on that one, automatically that SQL Server Management Studio will open. Here, right, let it open. Whenever it is opening that, it is showing that what is the server name where it has installed. Right here it is. This is the computer name desktop. Right. And here, whenever you just click on that connect, then automatically it will connect and it will show all the databases here. So what all the system databases which are available, it will show. Whenever you want to create the databases, you can create the database. Here it is, just right click on that, right? Or whenever you are creating the databases, one by one with the queries also we can execute. Just here it is, a new query option is there. When you click on the new query, then automatically it will open the editor. In this editor window, right, you can create the database. So first of all, how to create the database and how to create the table and all the things we'll see, right? Whenever we are start learning the SQL server, right, here all you have to know that how to download and install that SQL Server Management Studio along with the SQL Server. Hope you understood. Thank you all.